And this is really easy to open, just these tabs here. It's in this beautiful gray box, and it has a similar opening method, just these tabs. Hi there and welcome to Tlyard. Here is a really quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 11 and Apple Watch Ultra 3. So let's dig in. Let's start with the Apple Watch Series 11. Put the Ultra to the side. We see the Apple Watch logo here. And this is really easy to open, just these tabs here. Let's see, it should be easy. Just lift those up. And let me see what we have. We have a watch box and we have a band box. It's the Melanie's loop that we have. So let's open up the watch. It has two tabs like this. And then we should be able to open the box. And here it sits, the Apple Watch Series 11 in titanium. It's natural titanium. So let's push it out. It should be like this. Let's just rip it if it's stubborn. Looking really nice. And this one is quite similar to the previous year's models. Not much change here. We also have some instruction manual at the bottom here and the charging puck. And that one should be USB Type-C, and this offers fast charging for the Apple Watch. Then go to the band. It should be quite easy to open, just peeling this tab here. And we have the Melanie's loop. Matches really well with natural titanium. Probably was an easier way to take this out. So this simply has magnets and a loop, so you can adjust it in any size you want. So this was the Apple Watch Series 11 unboxing. So let's put those to the side and we can keep these ones here. Then go over to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And one thing, this is the LTE version, so you can make calls even though you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or connection to your phone. So now to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. It's in this beautiful gray box and it has a similar opening method, just these tabs. Let's move this a little bit further to the side. And it has this gorgeous design on the inside. Seems like a mountainscape. And we see Apple Watch here. And inside here we have some information about the Apple Watch Ultra. But the main thing is, of course, in these boxes here. And I forgot to show you that the Apple Watch logo is, of course, embossed on the box as well. So here's the watch itself, and I have the charcoal trail loop for this one, and the watch is in black. And the watch is embossed on the box here, really nice. And it has the same method here, just some tabs to open up. So we just peel those. And then the watch should reveal itself. And there it sits. The watch is over here. You can pull this tab. And as you can see, it's the black version. And all Apple Watch Ultras are LTE, or now it's 5G. So you don't need a phone connection for the watch to be able to receive calls. So really nice black or kind of gray color. And the screen on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a little bit larger now, but the overall body is the same size. And the orange accented action button on the side here. And what do we have here? We have the charging cable, USB Type-C, and the charging puck that also, of course, offers fast charging. And then the band, let's open that up, also has a pull tab, really easy unboxing. Opens up like this, like an envelope. And here we have the band. As I said, it's the charcoal trail loop. And that just simply fastens with some Velcro, and you can size it any way you want. And I think this is reflective in dark, so that's really nice. So this was a really quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 11 in natural titanium with a Milanese loop, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 with a charcoal trail loop. And the only accessories with it are the charging cables, both offering fast charging. So I really hope you liked this really quick unboxing. I might have some additional videos on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in the future. Just stay tuned. And if you like this video, please check out my other content on my channel, and please consider subscribing, because it really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.